where are you?
Mom, the water is coming into the rooms! Oh no. I didn't know this would happen.
Everyone move back. We need to stop the water quickly.
It is raining outside. We need something fun to do. What about making a little water game? Great idea! Look, the water is moving. This is so cool. Let's make it bigger. This will be amazing. Wow, Leo, it looks like a tiny water show. Wow, look at all the water. This is more fun than I expected. Leo, wait. Why is the water moving outside? Don't worry, I can stop it. The floor is getting wet everywhere. We should turn it off now. I am trying, but the handle is not moving. Leo, this is not a game anymore. Hazel, I don't know what to do. The rooms are filling with water. We need help. I only wanted to make a fun game.
Leo, stay calm. I am here now.
My little idea caused a huge mess.
We will handle this together. We will handle this together.
The water is gone, but the house needs a lot of work.
I feel bad. I didn't think about what could happen.
Before trying something new, we must understand the risks. A fun idea needs careful thinking too.
I learned that being careful is more important than rushing. Next time, I will ask first and make safer choices.
I am happy you learned from your mistake.
I will remember this lesson forever. Let's learn some new words. Flooded means full of water. Careful means doing something safely. Damage means something is broken. Now it's your turn. What does handle mean? Write the answer in the comments.